Today's Wednesday, July 15th. This is the 1965 Cadillac fuel pump mechanical variant. This is the only one for 1965. It's a one-year only design. And this is the NRS unit I'll be shipping to my friend Mark in Oregon. As soon as I get his okay to ship, apply confirmation. This is what the original ones look like. And questions have been raised regarding the tail. And the tail, which sits on the eccentric cam, has a compound angle right here at the end of the tail where it rests on the cam. Okay, so that is consistent with the original period correct design. All right, so these units have three diaphragms. They have the primary diaphragm at the bottom, and then they have the in and out diaphragms in the upper cavity, segmented in half in a 50-50 distribution reservoir. That is a vacuum reservoir on the top half, and the bottom half is an open single monolithic cavity. So the large monolithic cavity generates vacuum from the primary diaphragm. That does the redirect to the reservoirs, which are 50-50 split, and we have the in and the out. Okay, so we're taking vacuum in and putting pressure out, and that allows for continuous flow of the fuel circuit, meaning in and out on the fuel, in and out on the fuel, in concert with the actuating arm, which is generating vacuum and release to atmosphere and exhaustion. So vacuum and exhaustion, in, out, fluid flow. It's a computational fluid dynamics equation, basically, is what it is. So the oscillating cam is causing the pivot arms to actuate, and as they actuate, they generate the vacuum in the primary diaphragm, and then the secondary diaphragms are reactive. Okay, so we have the primary diaphragm, which is articulating in concert with the arm, and the two smaller diaphragms in the upper cavity are articulating as a result of the primary diaphragm. So they're responsive, reactive. Okay, so primary diaphragm and two small reactive diaphragms. This is El Dorado, Georgia, and Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the El Dorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Wednesday, July 15th. This is El Dorado, Georgia, and Florida. Thank you very kindly.